Wait, nigga?
Yeah.
Think you fly, nigga? You doing good in school, nigga?
Yeah.
Salt Ticketmaster outlets are called 704.
I'm not gonna have to knock you the fuck out, am I? I can't beat Batman without a fucking Robin, man. Get out the Batcave.
Coward dies 1,000 deaths.
Yo, so what you averaging in school, man?
A's and B's.
A's and B's. I heard you ain't get one fucking A's. How the fuck you averaging A's and B's?
I got 1 A in health.
And that's A. You know say A's and B's with 1 A.
1 A.
Say I got an A and a couple of B's then. Don't say A's and B's with one motherfucking A. Yo, so what's up, homie? You just turned 14, yo. You got a girlfriend?
I had one.
Yeah. You had? What the hell? She dropped you like a hot rock?
No.
So what you mean you had?
She found out I was gonna break up with her, so she broke up with me first.
How old is she? 7?
So 14.
14? That sounds like some real 6th grade shit.
Yeah.
You know about the birds and the bees yet, doggy?
No.
Huh? You know what rule number 1 is, right?
No.
No? Fuck you mean no, nigga? You trying to go to jail? You know a black man can't touch nothing in America without getting 15 years, right? Hard labor. You know rule number 1, right?
Never get high on your own supply?
Not that rule. Rule number 1 for the women, man. That's good you know that too, though. Rule number 1 for the women.
If she paid like she weighed, she could stay.
I meant to say rule number 1A. That's rule number 1B. Rule number 1A is don't touch her until she's 18. All that holding hands, squeezing butts, giving hickeys, that's cool. But anything other than that, will get your hard labor in Leavenworth. You be in there with Michael Vick, betting on rats. Rat fighting. Rule number 3 is there's no party without the balloon.
What about number 2?
Rule number 2, we skipped that? That was it. I was just seeing you just paying attention. Rule number 2. No, the second rule, the birds and the bees. The second most important rule to the birds and the bees is this. Without no balloon, you can't have a party, nigga. Condoms. You don't love nobody, love the more than you like yourself, nigga. You know what that mean?
Yeah.
What that mean?
Use condom?
Use a goddamn condom. I don't care how good she look. She don't look that good to die. Condom. When you shake her hand, have a condom on your hand. You don't know her. Yeah, you ain't know her since you was 3 years old. We don't trust them little girls. Little cute ones be the one that give you the monkey. You know what the monkey is? You don't want to know what the monkey is. Condom. Rule number 3. You know what rule number 3 is? You never touch a woman when she don't want to be touched. If she say no, it's no. If she say I'm thinking about it, it's no. If she say I don't know, it's no. If she say anything besides, yeah, nigga, it's a no. You smell me? I think somebody's door is adjacent. No, it must. I got the lights on. Okay, it's 4th along. Is there any questions you want to know about these nappy head heifers?
Not really.
Not really, you know everything. Oh, you Mr. Big Shot. You know everything. You ain't got no question. You know everything. How much 20 times 40? So you don't know shit. You think you know shit. You don't know shit.
You didn't give me a chance to answer.
Nigga, you ain't know. I know you ain't know because I don't know. Fuck, how the fuck you wanna know and I don't know?
800.
I knew that. And most importantly is that you gotta buy your father a Bentley. And you cannot buy me a Bentley being somebody's baby daddy. So, no girls until after you make it to the NBA or the NFL or MLB. Anything with three letters, no girls till then. We got shit to do. We trying to make it. And the next thing is this. Whenever you be with a girl, make sure you be honest and you tell the truth. If you want 6 girlfriends, tell them I want 6 girlfriends. If you just want to have one, just have one. But always tell the truth. Never hurt anybody's feelings by lying to them and telling them stories. If you don't want a girlfriend, tell them I don't want a girlfriend. I want many girlfriends. Just say it the way it is. Don't lie to these girls because they get hurt. And you don't want to hurt nobody's feelings. Now, what's the most important thing we said about this conversation?
That balloon?
No, get me a goddamn Bentley.
Oh.
What the fuck, nigga? You think it's more important than a Bentley? That balloon is most important 1B. 1A is get the Bentley. You following me?
Yes.
You getting this, Eddie Murphy? I know that head is just big, not just big for hats. That shit is big though. That shit is. You got like a grown man head. That shit is strange, man. Man. How you get in school with that? You know, they don't feed you 2 lunches. You got 2 sides of the head. You know?
Get that just right.
You ain't supposed to be talking, nigga. You're the cameraman. You're not supposed to be fucking little shit.
Stupid.